Everyone that's there with Auto Replay, man. And hey, one of my oh everyone, this is Eric back with Auto Replay, and I'm going to work on this work van. It's a 2015 City Express van, and I had a comment saying do more extractions, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean out my van. I'm gonna show you like the condition it is in, because like when I'm working, man. I just throw stuff wherever and I just get the job done, and I need to take time out to actually clean, get organized and all that stuff. And that's what the process of what I'm trying to lay out this year is, get everything organized. So let's get started. All right, so go ahead to this work van, I guess. Show you it needs a wash too. Y'all can see that. I know the sun's doing it any justice, but see how dirty all the wheels are and stuff like that. I mean, you can see how much dirt's been on there. I hardly ever wash this thing. It's probably ain't been washed in like a year. And somebody had made like a little smiley face. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's like a little smiley face right here, and there's the eyes, and I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but anyway. But this is my passenger seat, since I just throw everything on this side. So that's what it looks like. I got, you know, tripods for cameras here. I mean, you know, so I can make videos. I mean, you know, we put that up there right now, but you know, I got my jacket. It is hot, man. It's like 80 degrees right now. I got Chick-fil-A up in here. I got a Snapper apple, man. This stuff is really delicious to me. It tastes just like eating a real apple. I mean, it tastes just like it. I don't know how they must extract every freaking juice from real apples and put it in a bottle. I mean, and then they say it's made from the best stuff on earth. Dude, like, they say you can always pop the top of these. For my international people that I don't know if y'all get these, but you could pop the top. Let me see if I could do it real quick and do it like right here. And I think they always have like these interesting facts. So this is like a fun fact. It says number 333, Long Island is the largest island in the continental US. So there's all kind of facts on this, so you can learn while actually drinking. Something that's healthy for you. So I find that healthy. I got water, I got some Coca-Cola cans, some aluminum down there, I guess. I mean, I got gloves I bought so I could do the steering rack. I'm like, I don't know. I'm thinking like, is it better to just buy a new car versus fix that one? I don't know. I mean, I guess if I could take the time out to fix it, we could try it. If not, I'm buying a new car. I mean, I got sensors in here. I got a piece of wood that somebody needs for a job. I mean, it's just random stuff. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clean all this out, man, and get started. Now, do this seat, since it's so hot, since nobody's gonna be sitting in here anyway, I'll go ahead and extract all the dirt and dust out of this seat, and you can see how much comes out of it, because it has been clean for like 6 years. I mean, it hasn't been shampooed at all. mats, man, they're great for, you know, if you spill anything, it goes right on the map. You just wash it, you know. So you contact these people at 1-800-441-6287. Made in USA right here. WeatherTech floor mats. I mean, they custom fit too. So show you this. I mean, like I dropped the coat down here. It don't even matter, you know what I mean? And yeah, I just washed it off, you know what I mean? Just scrub it real quick. But yeah, it fits perfectly right here in the little factory notch, you know, and the contours to the seat. And you know, it catches a good portion of a lot of stuff in here. So I do recommend them, you know, versus just regular old mats, especially if you're going to be doing the type of work that I do, you know what I mean? All right, so we're gonna get our extension cord, plug it in, our vacuum, it's a wet dry vac, and the Bissell little simmer green. I don't know how much solution I got left in there, but you know what we're gonna do? Just put some Dawn in it. I mean, we're gonna try that out. I'm gonna use whatever I got here because that's the type of guy I am. All right, so we got the vacuum. Go ahead and get started on this, what y'all can see. I did the top headrest, this back seat here, just kind of going over it, you know, and I didn't really want to focus too much on this lower because I think there may be a seat occupancy sensor in this, because I think I had a Chevy, I can't remember what it was. It was like a Saturn or something like that. And I think they're based off Chevy, and they put them actually in the seat. So I don't want to make this too wet. And go ahead and get it all clean. So, well, I appreciate y'all stopping in just for a quick another episode of cleaning front passenger seat in the 2015 City Express van. So if you enjoy the videos, give it a like, give it a thumbs down, I don't know. And maybe it's satisfactory to watch, you know what I mean? You could leave a comment and we'll go from there. But let me know what y'all think about this 2008 Dodge Nitro if you look at the playlist. And you know, because I'm putting a lot of money in parts, you know what I mean, and I do want to finish it, I guess, in a sense, but I want to make sure that I'm able to finish it and not halfway be done, you know what I mean? So that's what I'm kind of concerned about, because I still need to do a little bit of body work, paint touch up, you know. You can see on the roof up there, I mean, there's 2 lines, you know, and I'm thinking about doing the truck bed liner on the outside and just keeping it black and doing like some silver metallic like flakes in it. I think that'd be cool, but I got to go through and pull the dents out. So if I could pull the dents out good enough and get it flat, then I'll just get it painted. But if not, I'll do the truck bed liner, you know what I mean, go from there. So I appreciate y'all. Catch you on the next one.